Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can get animals in Stardew Valley. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and progress through the game until you unlock the ability to build a barn. Basically, with a barn, you can then purchase animals from the farm below your current farm. Basically, there's a farm store where you can buy hay as an animal feed and also animals. So once again, just progress through the game, head over to the carpenter's house, which is going to be on this specific location right here. So you have two ways to get to this. One is from your house and the second is through the town, like what I showed right here. Just head over to this specific location, talk to Robin, and then you want to click on construct farm buildings. You then want to choose barn, which will cost you 6,000 gold, 350 wood, and 150 stone. You can just click on the build icon right here, build your barn, and after 2 days, you will have the ability to simply purchase animals. So you will be able to do that at this location right here. So let's just get to that real quick. Once again, you have multiple or two ways to get to this location. One is from your farm and the second is going to be from the main town right here, which is going to be the Pelican town. So just head over below this pathway right here and then you will get to this specific area. You will then see this house and then you can just enter it. Now, if you're going through your farm, you can use this specific pathway right here, which is going to be under the giant puddle of water or a small lake, I guess. And then you can then head over to the small pathway, enter this location, so talk to this person, and then you want to click on the purchase animal button. In here, we have chicken, dairy cow, goat, and more. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.